What's up guys? I'm back with a new video and I hope that you enjoy it because a lot of people have been requesting for it, and I've actually already made 2 other what's in my backpack videos, but I think that this video is going to be really different because I did change what I put in my backpack and what I bring to school. So I'm making a video for you guys about that. And if you don't know, my name is Joslin Nicole. I'm a student from the University of the Philippines taking up BA Behavioral Sciences, and these are some things that I bring to school. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so actually I bring either my backpack, which is this one. It's a Can-Can Fjallraven. I either bring that one or just this ganyan lang. Yan. So it's either this one or the Can-Can, depending on how long I'm gonna be staying in school or how much stuff I actually need to bring. So recently I used this one, so I'm just gonna show you guys what is in this smaller bag. So I have wet wipes. Oh, hindi ko pa nabubuksan, but I have travel tissues. I think I just bought this, that's why it hasn't been opened yet. I have my wallet. I have my ID, of course. I have a bunch of tissues. I like keeping tissues because you never know when you'll need them. Sayang lang, nasasayangan ako. I have my lip balm and lipstick. I have my my favorite thing ever, my alcohol, my tissue. I have one adapter. So of course I have my iPad, which is what I use to study, to write, to draw, everything. So anywhere I go, I always have this with me. And of course I have my lalagyan. So I also bring my phone around, and my phone is the iPhone na wala ng earphones thing. So you'd need the specific Apple earphones for it. But my iPad kasi, it's the older one, so it still has an earphones port, yung lumang earphones. So I basically have to bring around 2 earphones with me. Yes, it gets confusing and hassle sometimes, and sometimes I actually lose them. So I have to make sure that I don't. So with the Apple iPad Pro, I have an Apple Pencil, which is what I use to write, right? So I just bring this around because it already has everything in it. So these are my 2 sets of earphones. This one's for the iPad, this one's for the iPhone. And then this is my pencil. I just bought online from Lazada, the tip thing. And also this lalagyan I bought from Lazada. And then I just have my G-Tech here in case I actually need to use paper, which I do, of course, because we have quizzes, we have exams, so I just keep everything in here. And it's okay. So that's all that I have in here, and basically everything that I have in here is what I'd also have in this backpack whenever I bring this backpack to school. So I always have either a tumbler or a cup, the one with the straw, with me. This is the one I used when I used this backpack. With that one I used my tumbler with the straw, but it's dirty now, so it's in the sink. So it's either that or this tumbler, because we do have free water in school. We have a water fountain, so I make sure that I always have a lalagyan, so I don't have to waste money on buying water. And also it's less trash because water comes in water bottles, so try to avoid that. But sometimes I do end up still having to buy water from water bottles, especially when I'm out and someone buys it for me. Like my coffee, a lot of my coffee last week was bought for me, so they did come in the cups with the straw, which I tried to explain in the comment section to Noelle. Is your name Noelle? Or yeah, I felt super guilty. I felt super guilty when I had to drink from a straw and a cup, but sometimes, you know, it's just... So I also have my Apple charger with me, the charger, and also I bring a power bank. But I always forget to charge this. I always forget to charge it, so wala siyang laman palagi. Gotta make it a habit to charge this every night. And then I have my Starbucks planner. Now I actually also started using a planner on my iPad, so it's really confusing, but I still like having stuff in this one, in this planner, because I also like to stick pictures in it. I can show you guys some. Which week kaya? I think this is a good week. So see, I like sticking some pictures. So this is just there outside. This is with my friends. We went to the art fair. This is someone's birthday party, and this is when I watched the baseball game, UAAP. LaSalle versus, let's see, Ateneo. LaSalle versus Ateneo. So yeah, these are some pictures, some surplus pictures, because I do have a journal, this big one, this notebook, which I try to bring around with me, but sometimes it's just really heavy, so I can't. But this is basically like every single week I stick all the pictures that I took on my phone or was taken of me. So basically it's like a scrapbook of what I did every week. Okay, so this one was during my music video shoot. Can you hear me? This one was during my music video shoot, and then I went to someone's taboo, and then my niece got baptized, so, and that's my mom. So I just have this notebook with me because I also write down like what happened. So yeah, short summary. I think it's because I always want to remember things, and I always want to remember how things felt like for me. I actually have a video on YouTube on how I journal, so you can just go to my channel, check that out. If you still haven't subscribed, subscribe na, okay? Okay, this is just my other pencil case. This is where I keep other stuff like tape, brush pens, more legit tape, scissors, all that stuff. I keep it here. More wet wipes. Now this one's makeup remover, and this one's just baby wipes. Okay, this is my Kikay kit. I have strepsils because last week I was campaigning. Was it last week? No, it was last week. I was campaigning, and I thought that I'd lose my voice because I'd always have to say my spiel, but I didn't lose my voice, so I didn't have to open this. But I always carry candy around in my bag. I have an umbrella. Now we're going to the baby pocket. Oh, I have gum. There's one more left, and this is my favorite gum ever. I'm gonna save that for a really bad day. I have my old ID. Actually, in UP, you only get one ID talaga unless you lose it or unless you change colleges, which is what I did because I shifted. So this is my ID from back when I was in public health. And then I just have more lip balms. I have pabango. I have a USB, 20 pesos. A Cinema 76 ticket. It's basically a theater where they show a bunch of indie films or artsy films. And then I just have all my Maria. That's basically what I have in my bag. You can compare it to my other video, my other what's in my backpack video, and that was my backpack last semester. And last semester I didn't have the iPad, so I was carrying around another notebook. Yeah, this is new. And in my studio, this isn't my room, this is my studio. This is where, it's basically like my office. This is where I study, this is where I record my songs, this is where I eat, this is where I quite recently sleep because my room's really messy right now. And this is where I have like my guests or whatever. This is where I have band practice as well. It's basically where I do all my work. Para when I go into my room, I just sleep and relax and not think of anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up and subscribe na guys if you still haven't subscribed yet. We're having a meet and greet, meet and eat very soon on May 4 at Farmers Cubao. So Cubao, McDonald's, and the party. We're gonna have like a McDo party, guys. It's gonna be so much fun. We have a Facebook group. Yeah, we have a Facebook group. It's called Josafam. I'll leave the link in the description box, and then make sure that you comment on the post about the group chat because there is a group chat. So please join when you can because I also make announcements there. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, and comment down below what other kinds of videos you want to see. So yeah, till then, hugs and besos, guys. Love you.
I got a feeling that we got a chemistry. Give me what's on your mind. Telling me everything, but it ain't happening. Wish I could read your vibe.